If you're an iPhone user, this feature can save you a truckload of time. If you're somebody like me who have more than 3 accounts in this country called Nigeria, you don't need to remember your account numbers anymore. All I need to do is just type GTB help and my account number will ball out. How do you do this? Very simple. All you need to do is go to settings, go to general, then search for keyboard. You're going to see text replacement. That's where all the magic happens. Click text replacement, and if you remember, BlackBerry once had this feature. Oh my God, BlackBerry. A moment of silence, please, for BlackBerry.
It's been a long day without you, my friend.
Let's get back to business. Then you click the plus icon. Whatever text you want here, probably can be your Access Bank account number. Then the short code can just be access help. Anytime you type access help, wherever on your phone, WhatsApp, Telegram, Notes, whatever place you are, it is going to pop out your account number. So you can use this to store these important numbers that you never truly have to really remember. All your bank account numbers, probably your NIN, whatever information you want to store there. And if you're using other Apple devices like iPad, iMac, Macbook, anywhere you type that short code, it's going to work. If you want more productivity hack, ensure that you follow me on YouTube. Onyekachi Irozu is the name and OBI Break It Down is the channel. Grace and peace till we meet next time.